Good morning, dear students. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey and I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to solve question answer of chapter 2. The heading of the chapter is Neha's alarm clock. First of all, we are going to solve multiple choice questions. The heading of these multiple choice questions is Reading is fun. And the question is tick the correct answer. Question number 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Once again, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Your options are number A 4 o'clock, number B 9 o'clock, and number C 6 o'clock. The correct answer of this question is option number C 6 o'clock. Okay. Now question number 2. What did the words say? Once again, what did the words say? Your options are number A sleep on, number B wake up, and number C go and play. The correct answer of this question is option number B, wake up. Now question number 3. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Once again, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Your options are number A, our body clock, number B, our eyes, and number C, our feet. The correct answer of this question is option number A, our body clock. Okay. Now question number 4. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. ILESM. The correct answer is smile. SMILE. Number next, NORMING. The correct answer is morning. MORNING. Next, MRALA. The correct answer is ALARM. Alarm. Next is EDORNS. The correct answer is snored. SNORED. Next is OCKLC. The correct answer is CLOCK. Clock. Next is WODWIN. The correct answer is window. WINDOW. Okay. That's all for today. We will meet shortly in the next video. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a great day. Goodbye.